Janos are here. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to publish a single video to multiple social media and other websites from the Adobe Media Encoder. Here's the video that I'm going to be publishing, and it's a video for a local candidate here in the 9th District of Virginia, where I live. So, starting the process, I choose the sequence, Export Media. To open up the Export Settings dialog, I'm going to use the Match Source High Bitrate preset. And here's where I would normally adjust audio and video parameters. You know how to do that, so I won't go into that here. And as always, I will use maximum render quality. Now, if you scoot over to the Publish tab, you'll see all of the websites that the Adobe Media Encoder can access and upload for you. And the ones I care about for this particular video are Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So in each case, I click and open Upload Parameters. And in each of these cases, what you'll be doing is you'll log into your site from the Adobe Media Encoder as you've done with other applications that use your credentials. And then once you've done that, you can access it pretty simply. So again, this is Facebook. So here you would choose a page and add a title and a description and choose who can see it. And then choose whether or not to delete the local file after the upload. In this case, I don't want to do that. And then Twitter, same deal. And then again, choose whether to delete the file after upload. And then finally down here, YouTube, choose to select that. I've already logged in. This is the channel. Playlist is none. Let's do this in reverse order since it's already copied. And then choose the privacy option. I want this to be public. And then in this case, it's a nice feature. You can choose a custom thumbnail. And you can either specify a time or use the current frame. In this case, I want to use this frame. And from here, basically, you just start the export. And after the file is finished encoding, Adobe Media Encoder will upload it to the specified social media or other websites. So that's how you publish a single file to multiple destinations using the Adobe Media Encoder. I'm Jan Ozer. Thanks for watching.